Hi guys, welcome back. Today video about how to approach a girl. 1. Go signals. Timing can be your reason for being ignored. Do approach a girl if she looks relaxed and show open body language. Don't approach if she is deeply preoccupied. 2. Approach from the side. Approaching from behind or the front can be a problem. Instead, slowly approach from a side angle so they can see you coming and prepare for your presence. 3. Eye contact. Make eye contact, it shows confidence and creates a sense of closeness. Show her that you are harmless, open body language, hands in control. Maintain distance, don't sit too close. 4. Enter and exit plan. You should know how to start a conversation and what you are going to talk about. Can ask them for advice. Prove you're worth talking to and end a convo at a natural moment. Final words. Do approach if you've noticed her sending several glances and or smiles your way. Don't approach a girl if she looks upset. Don't approach a girl if she is deeply preoccupied with something.